lived for the first 7 years of my life with my mom and dad and my brother. And I just remember my dad, you know, he was just in and out of our lives. He was there, but he wasn't. I just remember when he was home, when he did come home, usually in the middle of the night, it was just constant fighting with my mom and my dad. And I just remember, you know, just as a little girl, just that fear, you know, just in the middle of the night. I remember just being with my brother. We shared a room, and just being under the covers, just, you know, just scared to death because they would just be in there just fighting. In the middle of the night, she packed us up, and I was like, you know, 7, what are we doing? You know, she's like, get your stuff and get in the car. Her sister showed up, and I'm like, what are we leaving for? Just a little bit? We leaving for, you know, a day, a night? You know, she just said, let's go. And so I just remember having that fear of, oh my gosh, what's going to happen when he finds us? I had several stepfathers at that time, but no, there was no
godly men?
Nobody. There was, we, you know, didn't grow up in a Christian home, never went to church. The only time I ever went to church was with my aunt occasionally, you know. I would go and, you know, I'd hear the sermons. It was a little country church, you know, and I would hear about this Jesus, but I never, you know, I never grasped it, never caught any of it. You know, I went through my teenage years, left home, didn't speak to my father or hardly my mother for several years, you know, just kind of out there lost on my own. Got married, and soon after having my first child, Tess, started going to church. And I remember being at this little country church, and I was saved. After being saved and realizing, you know, what Jesus had done for me, and looking back over everything that had happened in my life, you know, being that little scared 7-year-old girl, cowering in her bed, you know, and, you know, God was there with me. That Jesus, he was there with me that whole time. I look back on everything that happened to me, and I wouldn't take any of it back, you know, because I know that God was preparing me through it all. He was preparing, you know, what I'm doing now. He was preparing me for this ministry, you know, to reach out to these little girls and these youth and tell them my story, you know, and I've done that so many times. I've said and I've listened to these little girls that's been through the same thing that I've been through, and I can honestly tell them I've been there, and I know, but, you know, you've got someone there, you've got God there, and He's carrying you through it all.